Hey guys, Danny, WFO here. We're going to talk to you about David Summerall's Jeep King Kong a little bit. It's back in the shop again. So David had a set of Dynatrac 60s front and rear in this thing. He wasn't happy with the width with running the 42-inch tall tires that he's running on here. So what we did is took a factory disc brake 14 bolt, did our WFO truss, our heavy duty 1.25" upper link mounts. We also did our universal HD coilover mounts for the axle side. So the reason we do the disc brake 14s is kind of cool about them is they have the factory parking brake accommodations built into the rotor. So you can actually hook up your factory parking brake handle as opposed to doing somebody's aftermarket goofy calipers that they do. So what's also cool about David's Jeep is he is still running the old school Rubicon Express belly pan. The reason we like doing the Rubicon Express belly pan is it helps keep the links tied up underneath there, keep everything out of the way when you're cruising in the rocks. So another little secret about this Jeep is it does have a 6.2 LS motor, smog legal, under the hood. So Dave's Jeep, we did the 80 to 91 Kingpin 60 in the front. So we did the Reid Knuckles, Reid C's. This is kind of a new product we're playing around with that Mitch designed. It's a low profile truss. So when you're doing the LS motors and all that stuff in these TJs and LJs, there's not a whole lot of room underneath to try and get the truss to clear. So that's why we're kind of playing with a low profile truss. So we're running a 2.0 12-inch King Coilover in the front, and we're running a 14-inch 2.0 out back. So as you can tell, this thing's still kind of in mock-up. Mitch is getting ready today to blow the whole thing apart and finish weld it. Stay tuned. Check back a couple days. We should have her on the road.